Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to create group chats on Facebook Messenger. So let's start. So I'm here on Facebook Messenger as you can see. And now if you want to start a new group, you have to create a new chat. So let's go to the right corner. There is the pen, just click here. And remember that if you want to start a group, the person have to be your friend. If the person is not your friend, you can add this person to the group, so it's important to know it. So now click on the name of the group, or if you want to group chat, just click here and you can give a name to the group. In this case, let's press test. Okay, now here appears all the friends that you can add. In this case, I have only one friend here, so for starting a group you need at least 2 friends. So if you want to add another friend, you can do it, but remember that it's necessary to have 2 persons here for starting a chat group. Well, after you add the 2 persons here, you have to click on the right corner and says create. Just create the chat, and that is how you can start a group chat on Messenger very easy. So remember that it's important to know that at least you have to have 2 persons in the chat. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give like to this video.